how to increase height in photos or how to look taller in the photos. Very easy guys. Just watch the video till the end. Let's start. For this editing we need Snapseed app. After opening Snapseed app you will see this interface. Now click on open to add your picture. Now just select your picture. Okay, this is the photo. For example, I am using this photo. Now go to the tool section and click on perspective tool. Now in mode, click on tilt mode. Okay, and just drag this arrow. Just drag from this arrow like this, how much height you want according to that. Okay, this looks perfect. Okay, now next again click on mode and select free mode. Okay, now drag the photo from the end of the photo from here. Okay, like this you can see the changes. Yeah, this looks perfect. Now just click on apply. You can see before one and after one. And to save the picture, just click on export and simply click on save.